How has renting out Roller Ramp positively impacted your business?
Roller Ramps positively impacted our business. One, we pride ourselves when we can sell anything made in America. The volume that Roller Ramp can produce is substantial. The credibility it gives us when someone walks in our showroom and sees the quality of this product helps us in our small business.
The way renting Roller Ramp has positively impacted our business is the increased margins. The margins are phenomenal. We still own the equipment. It does not get beat up. These look phenomenal after they've been rented for a couple of months. That still look almost brand new. I think the worst thing that looks on them are some of the pinch guards, but those can all be replaced easily. And it definitely has definitely increased our margins phenomenally.
Roller Ramps helped us in our rental business by having an option that is not a big suitcase that has to be able to fit in a vehicle. We provide the option to someone that just needs a couple steps to get somewhere they need to go without having a big heavy system. Also, renting a Roller Ramp provides the convenience for the customer to only have it as long as they need it, and it's a cost savings versus spending several $1,000s on a system that they may not need a month or two later. We can pick up the phone and call. Someone always answers the phone. We've had situations where someone needed a Roller Ramp within 48 hours and they took care of us. Unbelievable service. Couldn't be happier with how they treat us.
Once you own it, you own it. And yeah, we continue to sell these or continue to rent them out month over month. We just stay on top of it. It's a good piece of business. That is the reason why we signed up, and that's the reason why we're involved. We're committed.
Why would a customer rent Roller Ramps?
The reason why somebody would ever rent a ramp is it's a temporary, maybe they had a surgery and they're convalescing at home. For them to get up and down and in and out of their house, a ramp is a perfect solution for them just for a short time. When it comes with folks that have a temporary disability that they're going through rehab, they don't need to buy a $1,400, $1,500 ramp. They can rent a ramp for $150, $200 a month, and that saves them a ton of money without a huge financial outlay.
For renting Roller Ramps, sometimes people only need ramps and stuff for short term. Say they've got a family member coming to town for a weekend or a week of vacation and they want to be able to get them into a house or onto a boat or something like that. Well, they don't want to purchase a ramp that they're going to use for a week and then be stuck with it. So if they rent one, then they can use it for that week or weekend that they need it and then return it. They don't have to find a place to store it, and it saves them money but meets the need that they had. And they're very portable, they're very lightweight. They come with these easy to use straps, so you just wrap it around it, carry wherever you need it, then you just put it down, take the strap off and unroll it.
Because it offers a wide flexibility and ranges of different lengths, different applications where they could be rolled up. They could be used for RV parks, they could be used for construction, they could be used for rental purposes to get people in and out of their house that someone might have just came back from the hospital. Why we chose Roller Ramp was just the flexibility that it gives us with touching different industries out there, from aging in place to construction.
Our rental market for Roller Ramp is everyone. It could be a homeowner, someone traveling, it could be a construction company, it could be a business that needs something temporarily. Basically everybody is a potential customer for Roller Ramp. We love offering Roller Ramp. It's portable, it's flexible, you can get any length, 1,000 pounds weight capacity. We love the option that we can provide our customers.
To get started renting out Roller Ramp at your business, call 866-883-4722 or send us an email at sales@rollerramp.com.